So, what's up with you?
Oh dear, actually very good. I recently learned how to drive and I'm so happy about it.
How did you learn driving in 3 weeks?
Maruti Suzuki Driving School. It was too good. The training was so well structured and detailed. I had a great experience with them.
Oh really? Tell me more.
So they have all the driving theories like road signs, rules and regulations. You know how important those are. In fact, practicing on the driving simulator really helped me. It helped me for getting the basic understanding about the car functionings and all. And top of it, the trainer was so patient during the practical sessions on the car. I also learned reverse parking, parallel parking, U-turn, moving uphill, downhill, roundabout, etc.
तो मुझे ड्राइव पे कब लेके चल रही है?
Whenever you say, I'm pro at it now.
नहीं बट सही में तो डरती थी ड्राइविंग से. What changed?
हाँ यार, डरती थी पहले, लेकिन मारुति सुजुकी ड्राइविंग स्कूल ने बस मुझे ड्राइविंग करना सिखाया नहीं बल्कि मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस भी बूस्ट किया है.
हाय, मुझे फोमो हो रहा है अब. मुझे भी सीखनी है ड्राइविंग. सेम स्कूल में रेफर कर देना मुझे भी.
हाँ कर दूंगी, पहले कॉफ़ी भी ठंडी हो रही है.